As many of you know, we have a very large extended family and a tradition for performing at our cousin Sangeet's. Most of you know not a single Sangeet could have been done so eloquently without Shilpa. Time after time, she has put her life on hold to coordinate Sangeet's choreographed dances, teach us our mad skills, and control the boys when they get out of line. Thank you, Shilpa, for everything over the years. Thanks to you, we've been able to also pass these skills on to the next generation.
My brother has always taken the time from his schedule to be there for his family. And when no one else knows what to do, he either has the answer or he will find one. We have many things to love you for, and we know that there is no way to repay you. But at the very least, we hope to show you how much we appreciate you for everything you do.
It's still such a beautiful life. In a fount of Parisian Merlot, with our head in the clouds, bodies below in desire. The whole world's on dancing in a fount of Parisian Merlot, with our head in the clouds, bodies below in desire. The whole world's on Parisian low, with our head in the clouds, our bodies below in desire.